Hey crypto investing crew, it's time to unlock the good stuff. Those investing signals you've been dying to see. Yep, I'm talking about the 2 daily channels spilling out all of the secrets on my crypto portfolio, what I'm buying, holding, and watching. You want in? Of course you do. But here's the deal. You've got to earn it. Let's break it down super simple, super fast. You've got 2 ways to unlock these signals, so pick your path. Option 1, become a power user. What's that mean? Log into the crypto campus every single day for 14 days straight. No skips, no excuses. Just show up, hit that streak, and boom. The signals are yours. It's like flexing your commitment muscle. Easy, right? Option 2, crush the lessons. Rather get it done today than power through these steps. First, complete the tutorials lessons. Get the basics down. Next, knock out the beginner's toolbox. Tools you need, no fluff. Then, tackle the fundamental lessons. Build that brain power. After that, hit the investing lessons. Learn about how the pros play. And finally, finish the signal lessons. That's your golden ticket. Listen, I know you're impatient and you want this now and you don't want to put in the work, but trust me, these steps aren't pointless. They're setting you up to actually understand what's happening in those signals. No point in peeking at my trades if you don't know what they mean, right? So once you've completed that lineup, bam, the signals channels open up and you'll be staring at my portfolio moves every day. So what's it going to be? Make a choice. Streak those 14 days or blast through the lessons. Your call, but don't sleep on this. The sooner you start, the sooner you're in. Let's go crypto campus, unlock those signals and join the action. I'll see you on the inside.